Space is vast, it's filled with mysteries. But few sights capture the imagination quite like Saturn's rings. These shimmering bands, visible even from Earth, hint at a world of wonder. They beckon us to explore the unknown. For centuries, astronomers have gazed upon these celestial rings with awe. They're more than just a beautiful spectacle. They're a cosmic mystery waiting to be unraveled. What are they made of? How did they form? And what secrets do they hold about the universe we live in? The answers, as we're discovering, are even more astonishing than we ever imagined. Saturn's rings are a testament to the power of nature. They're a reminder that our universe is a place of constant change and breathtaking beauty. Let's embark on a journey to Saturn, the ringed jewel of our solar system. Let's delve into the heart of this celestial wonder and uncover the secrets it holds. Saturn's rings are truly immense, a breathtaking spectacle in our solar system. Stretching over 175,000 miles wide, they could almost fit between Earth and the Moon. This sheer expanse is hard to fathom, but despite their vast size, the rings are incredibly thin, almost like a delicate sheet of cosmic lace. They're only about 30 feet thick in most places, which is astonishing given their width. These rings aren't solid structures, but rather a collection of countless particles. They're made up of countless particles, ranging in size from tiny ice grains to chunks of rock bigger than a house. Each particle plays a role in this grand structure. Imagine a cosmic disco ball, reflecting the sun's light from billions of individual pieces. The effect is mesmerizing. The particles in Saturn's rings are constantly moving, never still. They orbit the planet at incredible speeds, colliding with each other and creating a delicate balance. This dynamic interaction is crucial to the ring's stability. It's a cosmic ballet, a dance of ice and rock orchestrated by gravity. This dance has been ongoing for millions of years. The composition of the rings is surprisingly simple, yet elegant. They're mostly made of water ice, with traces of rocky material. This simplicity belies the complexity of their formation. This tells us something important about their origin. The materials give us clues about where they came from. It suggests they formed from objects rich in water, perhaps comets or icy moons that ventured too close to Saturn. These objects were torn apart by Saturn's immense gravity, creating the rings we see today. The formation of Saturn's rings has puzzled scientists for centuries. These rings, with their stunning beauty and complexity, have been a source of wonder and mystery. How did such a vast and intricate system come to be? What cosmic events led to the creation of these magnificent rings? Recent discoveries have provided some intriguing clues. Advances in technology and space exploration have allowed scientists to gather more detailed data than ever before. They suggest that the rings might be much younger than previously thought. This new information challenges long-held beliefs about the age and origin of Saturn's rings. One theory suggests that the rings formed relatively recently, perhaps only 100 million years ago. In the grand timeline of the universe, this is a mere blink of an eye. That's incredibly young in cosmic terms. It means that the rings are a dynamic and evolving feature of Saturn, not a static one. It implies that the rings aren't a primordial feature of Saturn. Instead, they are a more recent addition to its story, adding a new chapter to our understanding of the planet. They're a more recent addition to its story. This revelation has sparked new interest and research into the history and evolution of Saturn's rings. This theory is supported by observations from the Cassini spacecraft. Cassini's mission has been instrumental in providing detailed images and data about Saturn and its rings. It found that the rings are constantly being bombarded by material from Saturn's moons. This ongoing process could explain why the rings appear so fresh and vibrant. This bombardment could be replenishing the rings, keeping them looking young and vibrant. The constant influx of material helps maintain the ring's structure and appearance. Another theory proposes that the rings formed when a moon or a comet strayed too close to Saturn. The gravitational forces at play in such an event would be immense. The immense gravitational forces rip the object apart, scattering its icy debris into orbit. This debris then began to coalesce and spread out, forming the rings. This debris then spread out over time, forming the rings we see today. The story of Saturn's rings is a testament to the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our solar system. As we marvel at the breathtaking beauty of Saturn's rings, a sobering reality emerges. These rings, as majestic and awe-inspiring as they are, won't last forever. In fact, they're slowly but surely disappearing, a process that has been ongoing for millions of years. Scientists have discovered a fascinating yet disheartening phenomenon known as ring rain. It's a process where the icy particles in the rings are being pulled into Saturn's atmosphere, gradually depleting the rings. This happens because the rings are constantly bombarded by sunlight and charged particles from the sun, which affects their stability. This relentless bombardment creates an electric charge in the ring particles, altering their behavior. It causes them to interact with Saturn's powerful magnetic field, which plays a crucial role in this process. This interaction pulls the particles inward, where they eventually vaporize in the planet's atmosphere, contributing to the ring rain. It's a slow and gradual process, almost imperceptible in a human lifetime, but over the course of millions of years, it's estimated that Saturn's rings could disappear entirely in about 100 million years. So, while we may not be around to witness their ultimate demise, it's a poignant reminder that even the most awe-inspiring celestial objects are subject to the relentless march of time, ever-changing and ephemeral.